once the rut was filled in with the Ruts Plus rut filler, I came in an hour later and ran the tractor up and down and compacted the material. We've ended up with a perfect result.
This rut was over 300 mils deep, and you can see from the filming of this that it's actually now right back to what it would have been when we first put the pivot in. Once this compacts back in, by running the pivot over it again, it'll compact back in and the grass will just regrow. And this pivot's been working through the irrigation season, so you can see that the grass has just recovered, packed down and grown back.
Really worked for us, and I'm just chuffed to bits.